Now is the time to leave everything, do nothing at all. In that state of doing nothing, in that state of doing nothing, means you are aware, but you're not doing anything. That gives another perspective that what is happening in meditation. So after the chanting, when you return, we'll share our experiences. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, bring your mind on the left hand, lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside, know your experiences, and we will share our experiences. How are you, Sophie?
Hi, hi, Girish. I am good,
I
but I
hear you. Oh, just
you
a minute.
don't.
I will hear you. Yes, now I hear you.
Yeah. Okay. I think I went blank. That is, I didn't hear you. So this habit is coming back. But I have a question. Um. So once you have made a projection on someone or on some event, and then if each time you see that person or that place or same situation, it comes back. How do you erase it?
Yes, yes. First thing is that I feel your face is very calm and relaxed. Perhaps you might
Yes.
have been into that state. Now, when I have understood that with reference to that person or event, it is a projection. When you have understood your house number is 15, not 16, that is understanding. So when we have 100% clear understanding, the projection is already gone. You meet the guy once again and you meet, oh, you hug, okay, how are you? Because projection is no more there. You meet that person as if you are meeting for the first time.
Mm.
But we carry those impressions. That is what is emotion. That it means the project. I have understood intellectually, but that knowledge is not realized by the mind. We have to practice, 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 repeat the understanding and practice, repeat.
Yeah.
You have a projection for me? How are you, man? And how are you?
Yeah, I feel fine. I'm quiet, but I think part of the time I somewhat was semi asleep.
Yeah, yeah. That is also good. We talked about it. We talked about it. That is good. You see why we have to continue the journey? Simple answer. That when you experience a deeper calmness and peace, it does not continue. If it continues in your life, then you are simply attending the session for the sake of attending. Then you will pay me a little more. Oh, I got it. But every time we wake up in the morning, the mind is surrounded by millions of projections. We forget peace. If it is not true, tell me. That is the reason we continue the journey. You see, I know you all share one or another experience. Oh, this week was crazy and that week was good. And I know. So you have to maintain that awareness. How are you, Meet?
That was very deep for me.
Very
I,
deep.
I dropped way in, and there was something very cleansing about it.
Yeah, cleansing is that is
Clean,
huh?
very clean.
Very clean. Yeah, that they're clean, the idea of mind experiencing clean or cleanliness is a good thing.
Mm.
Is a step deeper. Beautiful. Yes, Charlie, where are you?
Hi everyone. My mind was very busy. My busy outside mind. It took me a long time to. I just said hello to it. I didn't try and get rid of it. But when we went back and repeated the deep breathing, the shanto hum, the pause, and the look inside, then the last time I just dropped to a different place and everything just fell away. So
Um,
yeah, it took a long time, but I just thought, okay, that's the way it is today, rather than fight it. And then it all started to settle down.
you see, you told me why we continue the journey. That is the answer. You have already given the answer that today mind was not so good as it was yesterday. Car is not so good today as it was yesterday. Why? Either you say inner honey, you say projection, or you say because it contains millions and billions of impression. You see that is what normally we do not understand this part. So it belongs to you. Every day you wake up in the morning, mind says, I'm in peace. Every day. Then every hour. Then every situation. Does your mind say that? Say yes or no. At least Charlie has started nodding her head. Once that takes place, it is awakening. That is known as awakening. Yeah, that is all for today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.